Hello everyone. So this is the guide how what is the demo of the app. As you can see, this is your app privacy policy and terms and service, refund policy and support, even about us, and yeah, some changes will be made even after the demo. So get started for free. Actually, it's not free right now because I made changes and I cannot give it to free because of my own budget limitations. So that's why we are going to this. So there is for both Indian and international, both clients, and I have already available credit 600. Now I will try advance and first of all, okay. So yeah, this is the form. As you can see, it also shows our credits, and this is the insurance demo document which I downloaded, and the context I have given to the chat GPT, and we are going to use exactly these. For starters, country India, our question. I am not going to hide anything. This is I generated right now. Advanced search, and it is motor insurance. Research the advanced motor insurance. Document upload. We are going to upload the exact document. uh, Here it is, 0.13 MB. Then I think the specific concerns is not given, so we are going to keep it empty. Now the age, 30, male, private employee. 30, select male. 30, male, private employee. Conditions and history not applicable. Existing coverage, we are going to give existing coverage. Okay, I'm going to just remove this existing coverage. Then do we have a policy number? Yeah, we have policy number. Premium amount is this. Then we are going to use coverage limits. Then preferred languages, we are going to select English. I agree to terms and condition and privacy policy. Email, I'm going to write my email. I will also explain why the email is important. So like, yeah, this is your analysis in progress. Now what's the point of the email, why it is written as recommended? So like, if it takes a long to respond, they will automatically send your answer to email. Note the thing that it will only send the answer of the question. So if you want your entire response, you have to come back to app to check your response. Yeah, so this is it. I refreshed the website, and yeah, so actually there was the specific concern and note. I just ignored it completely. Now I have added it, and now you can see the 30 credits have deducted available credits, and it is now analyzing. All right, the analysis has been completed. All right. फिर से बोल रहा हूँ. All right. Analysis have been completed. As you can see, this gap alerts, no, but there is hidden suspicions and clause, severity mad. And as you can see, the detailed advice, it's not ChatGPT, it will not give you that. It will also not give you the resources which has been used. So as compared to a normal LLM, why this is much better, as it works like a proper human employee and it works 24/7. That's the best part. That's all.